Well, basically, we do cold storage distribution, mainly food, but we'd also do vaccines and anything that needs to be kept cold. So basically total logistics, which is anything that needs to get transported or stored at a certain temperature. So basically that's what we do. Always been in food. I lived in England for a while, went there with my family as refugees, so the need to sort of put food on the table was a necessity, and in England most Greeks have fish and chip shops, so I was helping the family out from a young age, so I got involved with food and business. That's the inception. When I came to Australia, got a food business with my father-in-law, which meant it was a time when a Garibaldi situation happened, which meant someone died of food poisoning. But prior to that, I'd researched how to transport food to keep it safe and make sure that it's at premium when it gets to the end user. So it was a good timing. I shouldn't say good timing, it's not a good word to use, but it was a time when it was really required, and lots of people asked me to move food for them with a refrigerated transport. So it evolved with that, and from one vehicle to what we are today, we've got about 45 vehicles. So it just grew. Just with the background that I had, it meant that we never said no to jobs. I've got one person that works for me, 17 years. It took him probably 15 years before he said no to one job. So that's the kind of mentality. When somebody wants something done, we just work hard to get it done. So.
Working with MatchWorks has been a really good arrangement. We feel that MatchWorks, the name MatchWorks really does suit the organisation, because we came into contact with Sue at MatchWorks, and she spent a considerable amount of time with us in our business, understanding the skill sets that were required for the people that we were looking for, and she was really, really good at shortlisting the right people for the right jobs. So it wasn't difficult for us to work well with the people that MatchWorks brought forward. We feel that we had a winning combination. We had people who had the right attitude and wanted to work. It was done through an organisation like MatchWorks, with someone like Sue, who totally understood what we needed in our workplace. And then of course we have the people here at FridgeIT. We knew that the supervisor that we have currently for those people is nurturing, he's inclusive, he's very good at training, and he was the right person to work with people that needed to be shadowed, people that needed extra attention. And our goal has always been to keep people in long-term employment. Our objective has always been to engage people, employ people, and have them here for as long as possible, and it has worked out very well with us, thanks to our partners in MatchWorks and Sue especially.